So hi guys, as promised, I will do some tutorial for sidekick, evasive sidekick, jump evasive sidekick. Okay, but first you have to master the basic, which is the sidekick. Watch me. You only have 3 basic moves. First, bring your knee up to the center. 2, slide, strike the kick, and 3, retract. Watch me. Okay, bounce your leg, hands up, hold tight, bring it knee to the center, release. Reset. In, out, in. Retract your leg. Make sure you retract your leg. In, out, in, out, in. Or you can use your hands up if you want to make it more sharp. Alright? Alright, part 1 done. Part 2 is about lance off. Okay, everybody, lance off is very important. Okay, safety is always our priority. Okay, in order to do the jump kick, you will need to learn on how to lance off. Watch me carefully. Most important part, try to bend your knee and absorb the impact. How do you know you are doing that? No noise when you land. Try. As if you have a spring on your knee, okay, and you use the spring to absorb the impact. Indicator, no noise on the land. I know it's weird, but try to practice and you'll get it. Alright, step 3, everybody. So step 3 comes when you understand level step 1 and step 2. Understand how to do the side kick, and 2, how to do the lance off. Alright? And then you mix it up equal to step 3. I'm gonna show you what to do on the practicing step 3. The jump and bring your knee in. Try to bring your knee to the center. Alright, get used to it. Use your hand as navigation and for the balance. Once you have it, everybody, side kick and retract. Reset. Reset. Lance off. That's it. If you have any question, ask me down below. Subscribe.